Hello everyone, welcome back to Tales and Sounds. Today I'm going to introduce short a sound. Short a sound generally found in CBC pattern means short a sound वहाँ यूज होती है जहाँ पहले consonant आए, then vowel a आए, then again consonant आए. For example, hen, men, bed, red, net, pen, ten, eggs, den, wet. Sometimes the short e sound is spelled with vowel e and a. Although this is less common, this can be a tricky rule for young readers because vowel e and a can also make a long e sound. Means कुछ words में वॉवल ई और ए मिक्स होकर शॉर्ट ए की साउंड बनाते हैं और कुछ वर्ड्स में वॉवल ई और ए मिक्स होकर लॉन्ग ई की साउंड बनाते हैं. लॉन्ग साउंड हम फर्दर वीडियोस में डिस्कस करेंगे. इन दिस वीडियो वी टॉक अबाउट ओनली शॉर्ट ए साउंड. Here are some examples of words where the vowel e and a makes the short e sound. Bread, head, lead, dead, red, spread, sweat, thread, deaf, breath. Thank you. If you like learning with me, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tales and Sounds for more fun phonics. I will see you next time. Keep practicing and have fun with sounds. Bye bye. Take care.